Greetings to you all. We are the Excellent Sisters of the Blessed Virgin Mary. We would like to say forward to Umanyano Lwabaphulaphuli initiative. Join us in helping our brothers and sisters living in poor conditions.
मोगाचनो आमच्या भाव भयणीयो गरीब परिस्थिती आसल्यांक तुम्ही आमच्या सांगाता मिळून तांकां कुमो करा म्हूण आमची विनंती.
Batanayo nesu mukubatsira hama dzedu dzose dziri kurarama muushayi nomukutambudzika.
Ngomhla wama-30 kuJanuwari apha ku-2021 ixesha ngo-9 ukuyoma kwintsimbi ye-10 ekuseni uzosifumana live silumanyano lwabaphulaphuli initiative. Apho sizobe sikunika more information about the nature of this NPO, sikunikela ingxelo about the few cases that we had recently. Apho unemibuzo khona siyakunika impendulo. The presenter of the day will be Sister Cecilia Mavutela. Live on Facebook, you just click to Cecilia Majalamba Mavutela. For more information, you can contact our website, that is Umanyano Lwabaphulaphuli Initiative. Thank you.